Okay, Doctor Who fans. That's a mini screwdriver on top, and this is the Doctor's sonic screwdriver. And let's have a little back up a little bit on the history. The ninth Doctor was actually not David Tennant. It was Christopher Eccleston. He was the ninth Doctor, the revived new Doctor of 2005 or somewhere around there, early 2000, 2003, 2005. And he was only in for a year, and then he quit. I heard first the story was he didn't know they were doing a second season, so he went on to do something else. But then lately I've heard he and the producer David Moffat. I don't know if I said that right. I don't care. Moffat, Moffat, Moffat. Him and Eccleston were not getting along, or they had different opinions of how the Doctor should be acting, or how the show should be going, the direction of the show. So then David Tennant was actually the 10th Doctor. Now, he had a different one, and I'm the gray one with the blue light. I don't have it on hand. Whoa! Presto changeo. Actually, I do have one on hand. I didn't even realize I remembered I had one. Right 5 feet away from me. Okay, and look. Whoa! Whoa, it just extended. Look at that. Now, this one doesn't work. This is a non-working one. So this is the one I am not sure Christopher Eccleston. I'm not sure if this was his. If he had this one, I'd have to look. I would have to watch the first season again. But this was definitely David Tennant. Was this one that? So this was the ninth Doctor. I no 10. Sorry, 10. Well, I mean, if it was Christopher Eccleston, this would have been the ninth, and then I think he handed it to David Tennant. So this was still the ninth and 10th, possibly. And then I don't know if David Tennant ended up with this one before Matt Smith, who is the 11th. But this is definitely, I know the 11th Doctors. So and it has two different sounds. Two distinct different sounds. Oh, what was that? Whoa. Now. And now the kicker. When it's extended, you have to push. There's a secret compartment here. You have to press this button. Why they did that, I don't know. It's kind of awkward and okay. All right, I guess you have to grip it like this. Okay, so this that's pretty cool that it pops out and then you pop it back in. You have to use two hands, and I'm holding a camera, so I can't. Couldn't show you that, but you just push the dot, the tip of it, push it in, and it'll stick, or close, it'll click in. And there you have it, the secret button compartment. And here you got copper or gold, copper, white, black, and then silver, or gray and copper, sorta. And there you have both sonic screwdrivers. Oh no, after Matt Smith, I think he may have handed this off to the 12th, because he was 9, 10, 11, 12th. Peter Capaldi. Peter Capaldi was a 12th. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. But then he got a new one, the 12th Doctor's one. And then, well, I don't want to talk about the 13th Doctor. Thank you. This is it. That's it. There you go.